Hola de nada everyone. Yo soy Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm Shivani. I'm here to teach you Spanish. Today we are going to do Spanish related to work. And in this video tutorial, I'm gonna give you some words related to work so you can understand the words related to work, and you can also speak some Spanish related to work. And then I'm giving to you some sentences related to that word so you can easily use your words into the sentences. So let's start today's class. So our first of all, what we call work in Spanish, work is called as trabajo in Spanish. Remember guys, J is pronounced as hota in Spanish, so it is pronounced as trabajo. So work is pronounced as trabajo in Spanish. So let's start today's class. Our first word coming to you in this series is the boss. What is called the boss in Spanish? The boss is called as el jefe in Spanish. The boss is called as el jefe in Spanish. The boss is called as el jefe in Spanish. Our next word coming to you is job. What we call job or work in Spanish. Job or work is called as trabajo in Spanish. Our next word coming to you is business. What we call business Spanish. Business is called as negocio. What business is called as negocio in Spanish. Negocio in Spanish. The letter is called as la carta in Spanish. The letter is called as la carta in Spanish. And what we call message or text in Spanish. Message or text is called as mensaje. Mensaje in Spanish. Message or text is called as mensaje in Spanish. And what we call secretaries in Spanish. Secretaries is called as secretarias. Secretarias in Spanish. Secretarias in Spanish. And what we call desk. The desk in Spanish. The desk is called as el escritorio in Spanish. The desk is called as el escritorio in Spanish. And what we call email or email address in Spanish. Email address is called as correo electrónico. Correo electrónico. Correo electrónico is called as email address in Spanish. And poco means little bit in Spanish. And now means ahora. Now means ahora in Spanish. New means nueva in Spanish. Let me repeat the whole words to you once again. Our first word is the boss. The word is called as el jefe. Job and work is called as trabajo. Negocio is called as business. The letter is called as la carta. Message or text is called as mensaje. Secretary is called as secretarias. The desk is called as el escritorio. Email address is called as correo electrónico. Poco means little bit. Now means ahora. New means newer. Guys, I'm now teaching you some important rule in Spanish. Note that we can use su means he is, her, your, and their in Spanish. So su is can be used as in different way in Spanish. Let me see, just like in this example. Here, su dinero means his or her money. Su dinero means his or her money in Spanish. And su negocio means their business. So su negocio means their business, and su cafe señor means your coffee, sir. So here you see we can use su in the different ways in Spanish. So su can be used as his, her, your, their also. So that is an example that clearly shows you how can we use su in different ways in Spanish. Now I'm giving you some words related to some sentences related to that words. Our first sentence coming to you is La Señorita. La Señorita means Miss Gomes. La Señorita means Miss Ma'am in Spanish. Gomes means Gomes. Esla means in the is the. Jefe means boss. Jefa means boss. La Señorita Gomes es la jefa. Miss Gomes is the boss. Our next sentence is El habla con las jefes. El habla con las jefes. Habla means talking. Con means with. El means he. He is talking with the bosses. He is talking with the bosses. El habla con las jefes. Our next sentence coming to you is El habla con las secretarias. El habla con. El habla con. Con means with. Las secretarias. He talks with the secretarias. he talks with the secretary. Yes. Él habla con las secretarias means he talk with the secretarias. Our next sentence coming to you is yo tengo los mensajes de las secretarias. Means I have the messages from the secretarias. Yo tengo las mensajes de las secretarias. I have the messages from the secretarias. Our next sentence is ella. Double L is pronounced J. In Spanish it is pronounced ella. Ella necesita means need to. Ella means she. Escribir means write. And tu dirección means your address. Ella necesita escribir tu dirección. She needs to write your address. Guys, she needs to write your address means ella necesita escribir tu dirección. Our next sentence coming to you is yo necesito, I need to. Leer means to read. Mi correo electrónico means my email. Ahora means now. I need to write my email now. Yo necesito leer my correo electrónico ahora. Yo necesito leer my correo electrónico ahora. I need to write my email now. Our next sentence coming to you is los mensajes de esta semana. Semana means week, esta means this. Los mensajes means the messages from this week. The messages from this week means los mensajes de esta semana. Our next sentence is la oficina. La oficina means the office. Tiene means has. Un escritorio means a desk. Grande means big. La oficina tiene un escritorio grande. The office has a big desk. Our next sentence is la secretaria escribe las cartas los lunes. Los lunes means on Sunday. Las cartas means the letter. Escribe means write. La secretaria means the secretary. The secretary writes the letters on Monday. The secretaries write the letters on Monday means la secretaria escribe las cartas los lunes. Our next sentence is él aprende poco en su trabajo. Él aprende poco en su trabajo means he learns little at his job. Él aprende means he learns, and poco en su trabajo means little at his job. He learns little at his job means él aprende poco en su trabajo. So that's all for today. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, please like, share and comment. And till then, adios and gracias por mirar. Bye and thank you for watching.